This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ground beef in a stainless steel pan. To begin, always choose a heavy-bottomed stainless steel pan for even heat distribution, which prevents sticking. Have a sturdy wooden spoon or spatula ready for breaking up the meat. Remember to let your ground beef sit out for about 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. This crucial step ensures the meat cooks consistently, from the center to the edges, creating a superior texture and flavor. Achieving the right pan temperature is absolutely key to preventing your beef from sticking. Place your empty stainless steel pan over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can test if it is ready by flicking a few drops of water onto the hot surface. If they immediately dance, form into balls, and then quickly evaporate, your pan is perfectly preheated. Now, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil, and swirl it gently to coat the entire bottom of the pan. Once your pan is hot and oiled, gently place the ground beef into it, ensuring it is spread out in a single layer if possible. Avoid overcrowding the pan. If you are cooking more than 1 pound, consider working in batches to maintain high heat. Let the beef sear undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes. This creates that essential, flavorful brown crust on the bottom. After this initial browning, use your wooden spoon or spatula to begin breaking the beef into smaller, consistent pieces, continuing to cook and stir until it is mostly browned. Continue cooking the beef, stirring occasionally, until all the pink color has disappeared, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes in total. This ensures your ground beef is fully cooked and safe to eat. Once it is cooked to your liking, carefully tilt the pan and use your spatula to hold the beef back while draining any accumulated excess fat into a heat-proof container. This step reduces greasiness and enhances the dish's overall flavor. Your beautifully browned ground beef is now ready for your next culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.